Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Magic 6 Lite, and today I will show you how you can go through the setup process of this phone. So to get started, when you boot up your device for the very first time, you should be presented with the welcoming screen where you get to find your desired language. I'll be sticking with English, so I'm not going to be changing much, but obviously, as you can see, there's a wide range of different languages to choose from. Anyway, let's get started, and then you can choose your region. Once you've done so, go to the next page, which will present you with some terms of use. All we want to do is just select this little checkbox at the bottom and select next. Next, you can insert your SIM card. This step is completely optional. You don't have to do this. You can just select skip. Then you have Wi-Fi page, so you can connect to your network. Now, if you choose to not insert a SIM card and connect to Wi-Fi network, then you won't have the Google login page show up throughout the setup process, and also date and time won't be set automatically, which I thought that is going to be the next page. But anyway, here we have some Google services like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. You can disable them if you want to, as you can see. Data and privacy, where it's coming from Huawei. Gonna just select next. We don't even have the option to agree to it. Device protection. Here we can select a screen lock if you want to. Now you have a couple different ways of protecting your device. You have the fingerprint, you have the face recognition, and the screen lock. So when you select, for instance, the screen lock, you can choose between 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, this is custom PIN basically, pattern or password. And going back, if you plan to use any of these, meaning fingerprint or face recognition, or both of them, you are always also required to select a actual physical password, meaning PIN, pattern, password, because if something would happen to your biometrics, meaning your face or your fingerprint, you would basically lose access to your device. Anyway, you can also skip this if you don't want to protect your device. And then we have some enhanced services. You can read exactly what this does and probably select no thanks. User experience improvement programs, again, completely up to you. I'm going to select later. Location services, again, same thing. Keep your software up to date. This is kind of a scammy little way. You have enable and continue. If you don't want to have your device auto update, you have to select right here, the blue text update manually, and don't enable. Then we have new navigation gestures. I'm pretty sure they're not new, but okay. You can try them out, which is the only option that you have right now. It guides you through the usage of them, and if you want to use them, just go through the guide. If you already know what this is and you don't want it, you can just close it and then select finish. There we go. And as you can see, this finishes up the setup, and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.